Good day, it's Matthew here. Just realized it's been about 4 months since I did a Musical Monday, and I did want to thank all the artists for supporting the show and giving us their awesome music and beats and sending me tracks to use. Totally appreciate it. So if you want to help support these artists, most of them are independents, just click show more down below, and in almost every YouTube video I do put all the links to each artist. So check them out. Today, first up, I want to thank Thovo from Netherlands. Young guy, makes amazing, instrumental hip hop and trap, boom bap, lo-fi, I don't even know what you'd call it, but he's a wicked producer, super quality, and his link is down below. Next up, I gotta thank Janwift in Bay Area, California. Again, type of hip hop, lo-fi, boom bap, wicked sampler. He samples all kinds of crazy stuff, like insane obscure stuff, and flips it in a really unique way. So huge thanks to Janwift. Check him out. Next up is Eng Creation. He's kind of a mystery. I don't even know where he's from, so maybe if you look him up, you can tell me what's going on. Just incredibly talented producer, again, totally independent. He's had tracks in the show for a couple of years. He's in a lot of different episodes, so please go and support Eng Creation. Next up, I gotta thank Marcia Sally, young dude from Germany. Thanks, brother, really appreciate it. You've heard a ton of his tracks in the shows, especially over the last year. So definitely click show more, check out Marcia Sally down below, and you will not be disappointed. And last for this week is Desmond Zion Albert. Zion is a crazy talented reggae artist. He's originally from Dominica. He's opened up for Luciano, recently for Yellow Man. He toured with Ziggy Marley. He's played all over the world, and he's got a really classic sounding, just a pure reggae sound, if I would have to describe it. So check him out on Facebook, on YouTube, and his website is zionreggaemusic.com. So definitely check all of these artists out. Thank you so much for watching Ross Kitchen, and tons of more good stuff to come, and I will hopefully not take another 4 months to do another one of these. Bless up.
Blessed are poor in spirit, for the meek shall inherit the earth. So no matter what they do,